the coach house. It's like a mocha-y color. Jeff, what are you doing? Look at this.
Let's get her done, honey.
The coach house was this tan color, and we are changing it to pewter gray. It's a color approved by our HOA association. They have a list of 3 or 4 different colors you can paint your coach house. So we decided we wanted to go with, or actually it's called Tankard.
Yeah, it's tankard.
Tankard.
It's very military sounding.
Yeah, so we're gonna have the gray with the white trim now instead.
We sure are gonna miss this.
Yeah, right? Yeah, very exciting.
Right?
The gray is turning out so nice. And we're using a Sherwin-Williams paint that's really good for coverage, and it's one of Jeff's personal favorites because it goes on so thick and it probably only needs 1 coat.
It lasts.
It does last, yeah. Long. Is that how long?
Watch this.
Wow, look at the magic happening. So it's my job today to touch up paint on the woodwork and fill in all of the nail holes that we've countersunk so that the trim looks really nice and smooth. A painting tip from my husband is, because we've been doing painting every day and touch up, we wrap the brush in a Ziploc baggie and tape it, and it keeps it from getting all hard and crispy at night. And then we can just go ahead and grab it again in the morning. The doors are looking good, honey.
Thank you, Stephanie.
You're welcome.
Stephanie's excellent attention.
So here is the coach house now at gray. We still need to touch up the trim work. I'll just show you how nice this looks from all the way around. And you can see the neighbor behind us has theirs in yellow. The next door neighbor has it in sand color. So they have approved through the HOA 3 or 4 colors that you can pick. Jeff is now painting the trim, and it is looking so nice. I didn't see that, honey.
So I did that.
Okay. Yeah, it's really brightening it up. Uh-oh. It looks great.
You want to hear my painting tip 101?
Yes, painting tips are great.
Okay. Only use Sherwin-Williams paint. Don't buy that crap.
Yeah, we're big fans of Sherwin-Williams. It coats in like one coat, and it's so good. We bought some other paint for the inside just because we were at Home Depot.
Yeah, don't mess around.
And it took 2 and 3 coats to paint the inside. Yeah, that was their high-end brand. So again, we're big fans of Sherwin-Williams paints. They coat usually in 1 coat, and they go on so smooth. And you can, I mean, the difference it makes just, it's amazing.
Well, Stephanie, it's another morning.
Yes.
In another place I don't really feel like being.
Aw, that's too bad.
Guess where we are?
I don't know. Actually, I do know.
Home Depot.
Yes. It's our almost daily or every other daily trip to the Home Depot. We're
Some
hoping
days.
every day we hope it's our last visit, but
Some
we're getting
days,
there.
some days I get to go.
Yeah, too
Twice.
good. Yeah.
Those are the extra fun days.
Thank God it's really close to our new coach house.
Yeah, so I hope this is the last time we come to Home Depot.
Yeah, for sure.
I probably shouldn't
Fingers
have said that.
crossed.
I shouldn't have said that.
Jeff with his favorite accessory, the Home Depot shopping cart.
No.
Yes. Got a man on a mission. He's got his cart full of fun things. Yeah, it's a lot of door handles today and a bag of charcoal, but it's gonna be fun.
Oh yeah. Okay, Stephanie, what happened?
So we were loading the car and I got pooped on by a bird. Ew.
That's the second time
This
in like
is the second time in like a month. The other one landed square on my head and I had a hoodie on and it was a big splatter of dove poo when we were at a campground in Casa Grande, and luckily it didn't get in my hair. It would have made a mess. But yeah, I just got pooped on.
You know, my grandmother would say that's good luck.
I've heard that. I just think
You
it's
need to
gross.
go get us some lottery tickets.
I just think it's really gross.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Good.
So our Home Depot trip today consisted of new door hinges, and we got new handles, door locks too.
Two.
Yay, 2 new hinges. The old ones were pretty rusty and bad, so you can see this was what one of the old ones looked like.
Don't show me this.
And the new ones are new and shiny.
Hey Stephanie, how you doing today?
I'm all right.
Do you remember yesterday at this time when we were on our way to Home Depot and we said we'll never go back there ever again?
Yeah, I recall that.
How's that working out?
Yeah, not so good. So we're at Home Depot again.
Why don't we build a house?
We should just park the RV in the parking lot. It would make things a
Will we
lot
be
easier.
coming back here again?
God, I hope not. It's really sad when the people in Home Depot know you and recognize you by name.
It's like Cheers.
Yeah, and they say hi when you come in repeatedly. That's never a real good feeling. So
Yeah.
I hope we're done. Today we had to pick up some white weather stripping for around the doors because there was a brown weather stripping, and we actually had to exchange our door locks we bought because it turned out we bought industrial ones and they were way oversized and they were hitting the door, the handles were, so we had to get the residential type instead.
It was a cluster.
Yeah, but we're done. And the bonus, what else did we get this morning?
We got some caulking.
No, that's not that fun. What did we get that was really fun before here? Donuts.
Oh,
Donuts.
that's the only way she get me to go.
Yeah, we had, actually Jeff said if we go to Home Depot this morning, can we get donuts? I said,
Yeah,
you
Mom.
know it.
We get donuts, Mom?
Yeah, so we went to our local donut place, our chain down here at Shipley's, and they're awesome if you're in Texas. Get Shipley's Donuts. Okay, so back to the coach house now for more fun and work.
So, wait a minute.
Oh,
So we're done at Home Depot now for good.
I hope so. I really do. I can't promise anything.
Jeff and Steph's.
Home Depot adventure.
Excellent. Home Depot.
Adventure. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
See you guys.
We got the right door handles at Home Depot this visit, and Jeff's putting them on, and they are looking real good.
We need some touch-up paint.
Yeah, a little touch-up paint, but they're very pretty. And they all match. The coach house, when we bought it, so they were all mismatched. Some of the handles were brass or gold toned, other were silver, some were curved, some were straight. So we wanted them all to be really uniform, so we've changed them out.
So, kind of the final part of painting, especially when you're doing like a remodel, is the little details. And this is the old weather stripping in the door, which fits in with this little channel. And you just pull it out, and then you just cut to length what you need and push it in.
They're your new channels.
Yeah, now let me close the door. You can see how nice the new channel looks, okay?
You can see the white weather stripping all the way around the door, and look at new door handles. We got to touch up some paint around them, but it just gives it such a clean finished look.
So it seems like something that doesn't really matter, but it's worth doing.
Yeah, it doesn't cost very much, and it's those finishing details that really makes it look finished and nice and clean.
Plus, honestly, this stuff gets very worn out over time.
Yeah.
With the air gap.
Especially where we're at with really hot temperatures and dry temperatures and stuff, it gets pretty yucky. So that's a tip.
Yeah. So there's that. I will talk to you guys later. See ya.
So we have some little details that I'm working on today while Jeff's finishing putting the door handles and locks in. I'll show you what my project is. The bed we bought has underneath storage drawers, and as you can see, they're mesh. Some things fall through, and because they're on wheels, I don't want fabric and things to get caught on the wheels. So I also bought some drawer liner. And this drawer liner was also from Amazon. It's a real thick, rubbery substance, and you just cut it to size, and then you can put it in your drawer. I cut the piece I need to size, and I rolled it up on the edges, and now I have this nice liner in here, so I can put fabric things and other things that won't fall through the mesh weave on this and get caught in wheels or get dirty dragging on the ground. We had a large gap right here between the transition strip and the tile, and it looks like maybe at one point there was grout in it, but it had broken out. So Jeff just fixed it. He's going to explain how he did this.
Okay, so I use this concrete repair, and it's easy to use because it's in a tube versus mixing out mortar and doing that whole thing. So easy peasy, and just fill in that line, let it gray and get light, and should be good to go.
And now we don't have that
crack.
Yeah, we don't have that big gap there collecting dirt and debris and just
details, right?
Details, exactly.
Details.
This is detail day. See this lovely satellite dish on the roof of our coach house? We are taking this off. We're not big TV satellite people, and the previous homeowners left it on here, and we just think it really takes from the beauty of the little coach house, and it's ugly. So Jeff's pulling it down today.
So after I pull this out, I'm going to plug the holes with the old Henry hot patch and fill in those holes so that the roof doesn't leak.
Yeah, so it's Henry's patch, and it's like roof tar color, and we picked that up at Home Depot. And so after Jeff takes the screws out and unbolts it from the roof, we're gonna go ahead and patch those holes so we don't have any leaks. So the dish is now down, and Jeff is patching the roof. One of the roof tiles came off on the bottom of it. It was really stuck down with some tar, so we're using this this tar-like patch fill to fix it, the holes, and replace the tile that came off. Good. Our bathroom mirror just showed up. So this is very exciting. We're gonna try to get this hung above the sink. So check it out. We have a mirror. And it matches our cabinets. It just finished out the bathroom so nice. Doesn't that look great?
It's looking good.
It is looking good.
Even the mirror looks good. Well, hey Steph.
Hey y'all.
You want to go to Home Depot?
I had to try out my y'all on you guys since we're in Texas. Y'all?
Yeah, y'all.
Y'all want to go to Home Depot again? Yes, you do.
No, we're done Home Depot.
We are so done with Home Depot for now. Hopefully we won't see another one for the rest of the year. Fingers crossed.
So, are we pretty much done?
We are pretty much done. And we're gonna do a reveal video next. Dun dun dun, a little suspense. And we're gonna show you the finished product once I clean, and we're gonna clean floors and clean sinks and stuff. And then we're gonna do a reveal video. So
What about the outside?
Yeah, the outside's getting there. It's almost done.
Okay.
We got a few fun things to add for that, but that'll be in the next video. We'll show you guys the reveal. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video series of us remodeling the coach house, and we'll bring you the reveal next.
Sounds good, Stephanie.
Take care.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.